the day, we have security in this side. Everybody know that and we're better man in Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And we're better man. This guy na Okwuluora, Daruru, Oeba, Umuaka. Yeah, he came to Umuaka because when he came, Obu he lost. And our security is any security personnel, Ibu he lost about Oluku so tangible and Oluku somehow suspicious.
Okay.
Right, so another story don't come out concerning the story Okwuluora was telling us the other day that he was kidnapped in Umuaka, Imo State. Now, the Oga, the leader of the group that Okwuluora said kidnapped him, the person don't come out to clear the air. And I would like you guys to listen to this voice note. But let me briefly narrate what happened, what the guy said that actually happened on that fateful day. Now, this guy is saying that they are not kidnappers, they are not criminals, that they are freedom fighters fighting for their freedom. That they did not and nobody kidnapped Okwuluora in Umuaka. And that Umuaka is not a ghost town. This is what the guy is saying. He said that he is the leader of the group that met with Okwuluora on that fateful day. And this is what he said that happened that day. He said that he himself, that he went out, that he even went out of the town. That the place he went to was like 30 minutes drive to where this thing actually happened. But just because of the security situation surrounding that community, that most times they used to have some attack from the security personnel, from police and army and all that. And because of that, that they are always very, very security conscious, especially when they see anything heinous, that they are always security alert. Now, he said that his boys called him on phone that they saw a heinous car coming into the community. And he told his boys that they should be very watchful of that heinous car, that they should monitor the heinous car and know who is inside that car. Now, he said that a few minutes later, his boys called him back and told him that the person said he is Okwuluora. And that he himself, he already know Okwuluora, that he's even following Okwuluora on social media. So he knows who Okwuluora is. So he told the boys that they should not touch the person, that they should wait, that he's coming. That he want to confirm if it is actually the Okwuluora that he know. So he drove from where he went to and came to where this thing is happening. So when he saw Okwuluora, they exchanged greeting. He introduced himself to Okwuluora. He even told Okwuluora that he is following him on social media. That he's one of his top followers, that he loves what he's doing on social media. That he loves the way he's helping people. And after much introduction, they even exchanged contact. He said that he gave his contact to Okwuluora. He even showed Okwuluora his TikTok account. And even his Facebook account, that he's following Okwuluora. That he showed Okwuluora his Facebook handle and all that. After all that, he ordered his boys to return back everything they collected from Okwuluora, because they collected his phone, his wallet, his bag, which include his passport and all that, and even his lost card. They collected it from Okwuluora. So he ordered the boys to return everything they collected from Okwuluora back to Okwuluora. And after everything, he was like asking Okwuluora, he should do something for them now. He should roger them. Let him find something, even if it is a bag of rice, so they can be eaten. Now, Okwuluora himself willingly decided that he's going to give them 500,000. Now, some of his boys now followed Okwuluora to a POS, where Okwuluora now made the transfer before leaving. Now, he's very, very angry to now come on social media and see Okwuluora lying that they kidnapped him and collected everything in his bank account. That Okwuluora is lying. And that if Okwuluora did not come out and debunk all those lies, that they are not going to forgive Okwuluora. Listen to the voice note and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.
Brother, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Mr. Fine Man, fine boy. Are you Mr. Franklin by name?
Yes.
Okay. There's someone that sent me your number. Let me speak my language. I'm Igbo guy. And when you send your line, And I would like this thing I'm telling you to be recorded. You can put it in record because it's important.
Okay.
Yeah, if you put it in record, you let me know. If your phone is being recorded, just let me know.
It's a man.
Ask him, I'm a like if you're not going to keep it in record with reason.
Okay. Hold on, let me record it now.
Okay.
Hold on, my brother.
Be recorded.
Okay, my brother. Yeah, I got it. That it's being recorded.
Okay.
Yeah. Mr. Fine Boy. That is what is it Omero or something like that? Is madam.
Okay.
Yeah. One of the commander. I show you now. I won't find man. Not if you understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this is what I'm hearing now. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's I wanted to debunk this now. I know how I got your line because I'm not going to contact Imo State.
Umuaka, yes.
Yeah, so Umuaka. Come direct to the point. The day, there is security in this side. Everybody know that and we're better man in Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
We're better man. This guy na Okwuluora, tr0uble, Umuaka. Yeah, he came to Umuaka because when he came, he lost. And our security is any security personnel, he lost about all look so tangible and all look somehow suspicious.
Okay.
In the process, my boy is not coming that then when some healers will be this side. We're thinking that maybe all those people coming to attack, Abraham may attack. But the healers on the information we have is the only one is the one healers. Master, but all that there were email attack. They can't easily use one healers. Then we'll use more. The healers when they come is a more tanker. I make a healers like I will few, but a more tanker will be like 20, 30, or 15.
Okay.
That's okay. Maybe before any fire, I think I name innocent people. Something happen to them. That's okay. Let them first check very well. That whether I'm mobile qualify. Okay. The information we have that no one and not go standard. And I'm sure this guy, after a hold with this guy. That's all Okwuluora by name, no moment or this. They say now forward the name for me. Let me follow this guy online. I'm this guy. Happen here. Actually, come matter more the person now. Okay, I worked like 30 minutes because what happened to me? Abraham time. I worked like 30 or 35 minutes because such as too close. Boy, if you are saying I'm going to take some conversation here. Yeah. After everything, I went conversation. I said, Mr. Okwuluora, like him, that's okay. Anyone one person who Umuaka, you want that with one guy like that, but there are 3 numbers, yeah. Not all the guys, yeah, for like me, yes, we talk very well. And what we catch if I'm fine, you catch this guy, if I'm in this planet, whatever, because I'm 100% sure for this. I'm saying that's it. I'm fine way to get your number. I'm how what it takes to get your number. Yeah, I was a mother magazine. He ketana. That's what me to go this guy again. Who this guy? Money which I may have address so much fine. Join my boys, join all those guys. And when no, I see Muhuji Mote and some of him phone. That's and some passports. Marcia, go and say, well then everything belongs to this guy and hand this guy over. In my presence there, I didn't left. Maybe motor just park here.
Okay.
With a phone near. It's a 3 phone. 1 iPhone, Samsung, and 1 Redmi. So when they call young so 1 phone, and you only got young so 2 phone here near. Master Len Hall on young that's motor here. That is Takuma or something like that. 1 Takuma. Yeah. That's okay. Boone he lost going to be. So he lost going to be. My is the matter there for say I'm going to what game anyone. I'm the one that said this. You man game anyone game anyone. Yeah, say master if 1 bag of rice of an goal. This is what I is just him. Why who check in account here? I will have to do it. Master, no, may on that duress. No, my man, you couldn't carry him or them. I can't try that rubbish. Or yes, I went to him, you're free to go. That's smoking okay. Yeah, you John on the 18 day on a pana. Ngam no, sure, give me 500,000 naira. mkwe si na oh it's not 500,000 na m chọkwa echi ma hụkwara ya ka m nwụ n'ụzọ egbe mmadụ gbuo m ebe mmadụ kwa ndị ahụ ihe m na-achọ ya so emepe na so gị 500,000 naira masa fine and this talk the 500,000 na masa oke m ngam na ihe o kwuru na ọsọ gị 500,000 naira onye ọbụla mere mpụwa ahịa mee ihe ọzọ na-awụ ihe niile ha ma ha dị ama ha it is na ama ha otu na because we are into law here ma driver out reaching the next day that my boy abịa kem hand aka sị m ọga na hụzi 400,000 naira adịga nyere mas ijili nganga kuchi 100,000 naira this is what I said she just like kuchi 100,000 naira chango 400,000 naira mas okay afa ya sị m onye POS na who usuru 11,000 naira. That's only POS. Are you hearing me?
I'm not getting it. No POS is 11,000.
That's only POS. Now who use 11,000 naira? G with there. I say okay, fine. 11,000 charges were too much. Yes, now my say go na so this is what that my boy told me. Yeah, you know it's me 389,000. Mas if I present I got such money. No, I use my own money, make it 11,000. I complete it on 400,000 naira. Even by my inside, we now have some calls that we have some expenses reaching almost 1.5 million naira expenses. And I called my boss, okay, to help me transfer 1.1 million. Can make the go this guy in here 400,000 naira. Can just solve that problem in here. I got me send them the money. Maybe they go this guy in a rubbish with 400,000. But what I wanted to let you know is that now this guy, what he told me in face, not getting is 500,000 naira. But to prove this thing, not to me find out the POS who made this thing now. Come here, let me print alarm out. Let me confirm what this guy is saying. And you print it out. I'm a talk away. Maybe I will send you my WhatsApp number. Send this for you. And this is okay. My own kidnapper. Nye moto ye. Nye phone ye. When you kidnapper, you catch him here. Or why should this guy nam or inside the barrack or whatever or inside camp? Chuko kiabiama ala megidem. This guy, I don't know what's here, man. He may be a hall. People crowd is there. I don't know bad. Umuaka got also. Don't say Umuaka how will a ghost stand. A little Umuaka will a ghost stand. People are moving. People know us. I know they hide my. Okay, my way kidnapper. Share my TikTok account. Share my WhatsApp account. Share my WhatsApp number. When you also message, mas okay. I am number. I am number. So far that I'm calling this guy, is not picking my call, and I will make a video with name here. Even okay after this thing now. Maybe if I have the WhatsApp number, when I'm making the video, I'll call you. I collected the okay, my way kidnapper. Naya number. Yeah, Lawa. This guy got latchy back. Says, Umuaka will go stand. No, but they be kidnapped. Why? Oh, what's all this guy now? 500,000 naira cost sendre. I may give him. But yeah, 500,000. Yeah, maybe Umuaka. Umuaka got to okay, I'm trying to call it as security network in Imo State. The information will not really good, but my boss didn't have to go there. Let's find this thing finished. If I wanted to call my people.
Okay, my brother, I want to go do kita can transform your path. Imana that Okwuluora bo my friend and here meaning met you yeah, but the third time now. Na apota Okwuluora ko help Umuaka. Yeah, many fundraising. My brother, I hardly, I'm an Aka son, but I hardly come home.
Yeah.
And I love that community to a point that now, I'm a blogger.
I know.
Franklin. During the time, but all on a page, cannot dear. He just type, Franklin, he got for that now. A promote to get them over festival, and the Madana demo, culture behenka. So, to tell you how much I love my village. And Obuna, I will not promote my cash. I get them not fundraising. You understand? Now, I can't wait to that now. You know, Jerica, some people be safe, Rika, how be that woman. It was a joke, every mark. Yanji Bapa that now. We are that was in the night. Ka Ima only do from Madija. Ona Ogedu, a hag de Rugal. So I was worried because I was on Facebook now. I share that live broadcast. So when Okwuluora was online, I wanted to call Okwuluora. Because they're supposed to sleep in on that day. So Kenji the worry. I got to get me here with my friend or some come on. I said that my mommy is the number Okwuluora, my friend, the age that guy. That's okay, I'm come on. So, on the attack, maybe 8 or 9 o'clock thereabout. I'm not, if I'm not mistaken. What a message from him that he was kidnapped.
Okay, wait. If or a lemon was shot at Weber, I'm sorry. Okay, a kidnapper there. A kidnap Okwuluora, eh? A lemon can with his call.
Okay, now again, I watch your post in the screenshot of my conversation. I'm a very transparent somebody.
Yeah.
Do you understand me? And even and do Umuaka for that now. The chart of where Okwuluora told me that he was kidnapped, I posted it.
Yeah.
Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So to tell you that I was just worried about him. I don't know the situation. I'm not the kidnapper, but if I go kill you, bro, mother. Only if somewhere. Go get that na a kidnap. My brother, you know that you never feel okay.
Yeah.
You understand me?
My brother, my brother,
so if you have a program,
I want to the wagon. Okay, Okwuluora is not being kidnapped.
Okay.
Okwuluora is not being kidnapped. We saw Okwuluora.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I personally introduced myself. Who am I to Okwuluora?
Okay.
Just send this year my my way a kidnapper. Here my TikTok account. Okay. After when I met you will see same number. Map. For a kidnapper Okwuluora that they release it that day. Hey, check no winning. One way say I'm winning. He gave me nine. Oh, munegele. Now that I am. Then the one I have winning. Yes, we talk, but what you do, man, and one play you do. Now, where shall put on a million there? I have close to me. Young with Mamu this video where he watch him a mokuye. The next day, I can pick one that guy out to the streets. Smart one has that guy. Come to that guy, say, because he was there. Because that's one of my boys. Say, my boy, say, I'm one guy matter in here there. You go Umuaka. And on the way going, yeah, one this guy and I which to the movie. I make video call with that guy. Say, I'm going to Yaza. I make him up Yaja. Yeah, this guy, my fault, that my boy. This video, that guy watch Okwuluora who and had him. If I who draw no, she okay, 500,000. Now who draw no, so they must say a little. I'm not sure they go no money. Also, I know that's I want to make content creator, but what are you is the fund? I want to get is my fund. Gaga, Gaga, not up town, she know 500,000 Okwuluora. He may promise again. Okay, a shop in it's about me. National. Oh, you're just a kidnapping again. One
the I'm going to choke.
Every moment to bring me out with him. You can get that guy top that in him wagon, may buy Senia. Every night a bullshit, yeah. Otunas on my freedom. Maripanda here.
Okay.
I'm not telling you. Check his name to find the way to get your number because I'm into comment he make and then one get to make it. Actually, one game, not one goes something nothing. It trash that's your Okwuluora. I took one away, come on at the get quick. That's how everything is.
Imran of my one because Imana as Akoro Egero. Do you understand me? Akoro Egero. You know there because
Okwuluora get to bank now. Yaga print go land that day now. That's also tax test. Yeah, Yaga print now. Up tax le go le print account that day.
You were God.
Oh, ya kokwalu nde na ego. Tuama nde ona mu ego. That guy do there. Ya ha tatula ego. Enwe ozo no ya sha fine. But all can keep Okwuluora ju enwe he mere memenda na ego. Why can't okay, you want send that your people or with that we Ayoma or I am a Jejuan de Okwuluora to Lego, memenda na ego. Now she na memenda na 5 naira chawa. One machine no Okwuluora ku we joku. Nwo ye na 5 even Okwuluora. Chineke biko. Why Okwuluora? I'm not happy with Okwuluora. Okwuluora got the idea. I even am more sonkwa. Cook with something let him go sonkwa that's not wash you. Nana ye go no worry.
Here no biko, here no there Okwuluora biko. I will never able major because I must be bara. Because
my brother, able major. Let me be honest with you. Let me be honest with you, my brother. Able major now. Dan we use to Umuaka. How all a good stand. Came to Umuaka, whatever. Name Umuaka will go stand. Drop on outside the bay whom you may. Drop on a good let me just. I want to hit a point for you because I'm saying EGT online. Draw a goal and that day. Yaga bank now. Or ya take a phone. Ya will take the alert. Ya joy color na that day. Upon that, na joy ebe ya hunu me. You know to go me no be now to bring that thing down. Weke we eziokwu. No, yeah, Jackass will be in that 500,000 naira. This is only my own. This is only my problem. If not, even if we get our freedom tomorrow, I will still table thing on my boss table. I really mean it. Or what I be behind be propaganda, everything will not even trash it. And I get debunking, but I now social media. I'm sharing everybody being social media. I have contact, same with contact creators, same with many people. I have connections.
Because calm down. Ka ga-echi gbanye ọka ịma na ọ dịrọ mma ote iwe na-ewe gị kịta na aghọtago m because ọ dị m ka maybe iwe na-ewe gị based on that na ihe okwu abụrụ ihe meenụ and ya na onwe ekwe ịma na abịa m at a point abịa ndị confused ma mgbe a sị na kidnap at a point I called him for the second time sie nwanne ka ebe pikiri gị ihe a ọ repeat kwe that na he was kidnapped in Umuaka, which I was a little bit confused, even to a point also that na that guy one Charlie, I think Charlie that now they also came and pick him. I didn't pose that thing again.
You know what kidnapping na ya go dey mo fun. Na say kidnap from man. Maybe go ya motie near all him belongings. Na go men.
Yes.
Takuma.
Na wa ihe ogwa maybe na kita ka nghọta you ma ihe disiga akoro egero. Okwu na agwa m kita na I'm very very happy. Matter how happy I am because sometimes on abu showing with the fact a balance here the thing. And okwu na ekwu kita na I'm picking it. And for the fact that in the pick here, I will talk to him. I want nobody has monopoly of wisdom. One on here.
Guy na Juwayo hapo Juwande ya muso bia all those presidents so be. Aga bank we so because there was everything happen in the present.
Okay.
On you see me just for ofu friend dey anye mmanya cool that sagba nke ezoku. Play this my voice. Ejoku ga put in share. Okwuluora ego ole ko me because all of them are there when this thing happen. Also na ya be everyone who dey show ogwo. Okwuluora bakwa na barak or ya be any camp anything oga. Him chokwa no wan hu kware ya. That only that place ahụ ya kpọrọ ya kpọbata emega hall na akụ there because mam drive come here na the hall there and every people are there no your baba fake juke crowd is there Umuaka will say go samba
buto imana biko buto I will talk to him biko buto iwe ga dị n'ọkụ imana sometimes one or you can mad out of anger, but maybe you have a point. I will talk to him and
about that. To be honest with you, that government are about to criticize Umuaka and to lash on them. Let me be honest with you. That's what I was having now. Okay, kidnap wagon. You will need to pay. Hey. My God, I will mad. I give me what a speech mad.
And even more when my family are treated to come more since that. Where I go for again. A lot of people because of this thing, they very very angry with Okwuluora. Man, they themselves broke the anger transfer away to me.
If we don't divorce him with her, I say one guy it's already a long one so place in Hagabia because of who maybe alone. I don't want to get to say no small land. More than the air to pursue that guy, and that guy something must happen to that guy. Or see, yeah, be a put on social media and be a beg, yeah. I swear to God. Always see him on that guy. I'm asking when you cook Abiama.
Biko buto. Buta yoka na yogi biko. Eke ba den.
My brother, if you talk to Okwuluora, him you come now. Enye me 1 week. Ja, ola mo Okwuluora. Boy ya do no me asi akwo nke eziokwu. Ya bia debunk by this thing.
Gbara.
Amu about on we fa on Igbo ka owo, but yo baga akwa Igbo. Enwe ebe ihe na-eme gị.
Because achọm ka ikotekwe n'ihi na ọ na-azọ ndụ on that ground just gbara biko. Gbara. Mee na okwufere ọnụ biko gbara biko. Biko nwanne gbara. Don't do anything to harm him. Just gbara because ịma ọtọ nọ kịta na o nwere a lot of enemies. Ọ bụrụ sọ from Umuaka because ihe na-eme n'ụwa na o wurike ndị
enemy aja ka enweghị enemy because enemy le mkpọ somebody nwuju me afọ na nwanne kpọrọ akpọ gị ọwa anyị nwa mele introduce ndị ahụ mgbere ihe ike ime na ọ dịkwa ha easy yeah me pọ ya chọrọ ihe 500,000 naira 500,000 na uzi 500 ka m huziwu
and this na 400 okwukwe na video na akụrụ ihe na video nge okwukwe na enwere eme
akụmụ ya ihe ndị akụ asịghị ọwụ kidnapper ndị dahe na eme nwunye fụgadịmọfụ ọ bụ shọ kidnapper nwanne before you come a ga-eke eriri keche ya gude gbogbo this guy na na ho ya say biko emeche anya adịghị ya enemy adịghị ahụ ha agbawe look at
biko gbara biko nwanne gbara ayo ka yo ịchọkwa nsekpuru ala ya oge biko gbaghara
enweghị mụ abụle n'obi ihe ọmụ ike ime nwere agwa David ahụ ya kwuo eziokwu. This is my own concern. Ya kwuo eziokwu. Ya mekwa nke ọsọ nkwa kwuge that thing. Ọsọ nkwa wee ụmụ ha asọ yes. If no one ọsọ nkwa the videos ndị post ihe ndị Fulani ime kekaga ọmụnwa but ọmasho eji post eji WhatsApp number na post but ọmasho ọmụnwa don't all this some of all those things ọmụnwa video ge send again na but ọmasho ọmụnwa because ihe ọma de ihe ọbawo ihe ọjọọ na adem mma. You know what Fulani are doing. I'm fine. Now, but as far as I'm concerned, I will not allow something to happen.
For the fact that Igbo coach ready, I will talk to Okwuluora.
Okay, if you know Ghana also, call that thing. Ghana also just Umuaka, Umuaka the whole entire Umuaka. The minute I look at the kidnapping Umuaka or look at a single Madufu, you can pack your machines. We are here. You can pack your machine. You give a machine. Your machine is there. But all that place is not like that. I swear to God. Ogaga maybe a case or some power. You actually pack your machine, okay? When we keep and we want him to pull you. Fear no they catch that person. Even we Umuaka back in the Umuaka we can actually make a bit bad. But now Umuaka change. Sure. I swear to God.
I work with my idea and the man has got confidence in the way back. Madam na you are going to give yourself the blame. That they work in your job no marker. And that's my brother. Okay, all who knows Oshibia. Ele more laga, or shoes on la. Ye to give shoes up, but I wipe back. My brother, Okwuluora have paid to government, Nangarage. Also, sacrifice that, Kopota, that is size so much, maybe a long work. One was on wagon. Okwuluora have paid, Yadan Wadi. Because man. I'm any go, because maybe I will be shown work. I will talk to Okwuluora. But because I told him to have more because I know all my brother call but because we are talking and because more one step I don't come at a point to job and then when then after now mbato maka ga ebu ma ga make my brother na kezi ihe bụ my offense kwana n'ihe niile ya ji am kan so kwana nwaanyị ndụ because everybody who na ekwu na biko help m ka I wa pa my no achọ m nsogbu I don't want problem o say the only thing in let you maka we ihe ọma yeah nobody before I don't let you maka ihe ọjọọ ihe abụrụ the first time myself this girl na Otobia almost kpọtara Okwuluora eme fundraising ndị ụmụaka sef amadi ọma connect Okwuluora say biko ga help ụmụaka bụ Otobia ọ sị emeghe ọ sị na akpọrọ that guy na anaghị egie ego atụtara biko enwe somebody make us now we are human beings. That to Lagos, do I remember 5 naira on the account? Points can't hit again. Points him hit again. All the serious. Do I say this guy had to Lagos? One here. Do I say and when they na like Lagos? Papa Okwuluora, Okwuluora say Ego and then again. Let's yap we Ego colony. I'm a send like today. I will break at a time. Draw a POS email that 10. Give him the receipt. I will forward it for you. Let's be honest. I will find way get your WhatsApp number. If it is a WhatsApp number, or you can make it a WhatsApp number. I add that with my international line. Send that again. You see it. I'm I will try my possible best. I'm not to the Oko because you and you Mako Maka. My life was telling me. You know, my brother. Also, when they mean yak when they mean. Oh, if I look at a maybe Shafa man. Good, because it's okay. You go? I'm more than one going to be protest, and I don't want to be involved. What do you my brother, I watch what he said. I will always be online steady. I fine boy will always be online. They don't hold up that they don't fine boy. I'm face to face. I'm the fine boy. I'm saying in the game making all much time. Yeah, God created me. Why won't I go find? Oh, you don't have to all got them. I feel that the guy is too fresh. Yeah, more. All my way to better my commander home better. I say the child here in them dry. And when he goes on, I guess him back. He's super. Oh, come on, my plunge and willing to give me no negi. Okay. Almost I get a finish or gonna see now. One fine guy, one guy, how much some man up. Oh, more. No, if you don't watch, one fine guy, one of the commander. I say child here in the army. Look at. Look where I don't need to get. It's okay, my brother. Don't worry.
My brother,
I just come on.
When I call, I'll hold your line. And when I called you, I asked you whether is your WhatsApp number. My gabaria for that game in the POS. I'm maybe how many, but I'm at top of that today. I'll be sure taking all my time. I will bring it and forward you the account. My gamma saying 500,000 could be more washing away shoku.
It's okay.
500,000 I go to and I back here volunteer, not force. Go to say about all this log or about millions of naira. I want to idea. I want to idea. They go back. No, wala. On a chicken
Imana out of anger, Uriko Kum can I marry man.
All willingly go down one name back. Now, I don't know who are and I will be an okay, and I'm getting 500,000. I saw he gets almost a time. What's a thank you, Nebaliala? It's a big fun. Makai even 500,000 and he should get a mass of Baliala. Thank you, almost 3 times. Thank you. Matter remove my boy, I'm not on your number. Mas okay, man, I say a number. And I'm a sense like I'm a made video. Even okay, it's not picking my call. Get confirm my home. And I'm a number now. My will it's over 4 days that be calling this guy. Not picking my call. Come dry face to face. And that one I want to make where I put a record and dry face to face. Okwuluora. Ele man I give you. Oh, I told me him could MG watch out again phone. But not let him know that I wanted to put it in record. Or to see it again a record. Can hold me. Can't hold me, man. Do I say yeah? Go like in there. What happened? Go John Yakwe, my fault, or again.
I'll try to calm the situation because Buto.
Okay, my brother.
About you when I wedding Buto. And then I found more about no market. One now, I'm about that Namos.
Manumo. I was also to Mamma outside, the Baba Zabi, or such a believe one young gun.
Because I wipe all my name. I want on a bad record because
no. My brother, see, I swear to God, and when we're on a bad record or whatever, and I watch him here, when we meet anything bad to my brother. And when I believe him, what he wants is our freedom, nothing else.
Okay.
Even though Joe or him that booking him, okay, look at this side. He said, any kidnapper man stayed Iban. After everything, now I want our friends, 11 months only. Now I was 10 stop all those things. Villagers are happy. Umuaka, you go to Umuaka, and when you shall look at and when you see kidnapping, no Umuaka. All you got to go say, but on other places on name. Other places on name, up we have yeah, I'm shaka for Joe. And you may home before I got for Joe. When I said Nankalo, you may get about freedom here. Our leader, yeah. I'm okay about them, but now everybody from my home again.
Oh, you go.
People are here, I got your job because you're benefiting that bad thing. On they get benefit in that bad thing when they get criticized, man, good thing somebody make.
It's true. I'll try to reach him because calm or down. I talk about I got more for long because I just call you like I call to Kennedy.
And when you need that guy, Okwuluora say the truth, and your truth will only thing set you free. This is what I want.
I'll talk to him.
Okay, my brother. Yeah, bring it up. You don't want down. Go and case open. Oh man, can I chicken again? My gauge might be ego. That means also that thing don't make a mesh. Also making her to put a boy to let you didn't care and maybe Okwuluora hand on him. Yakwe is okay. When you be an echo, kidnap a Kurugi, unlike Humotogi, on Funugi, or Fungi or Mega, but I go again. Or showing it for my people in the game and I go for your family. Hey, Chineke me. Anybody that they release that day, do quick to put aside that and short name Gashi or no Macacomelegi, or what's that no way back Comegi, or back Comegi, a drew to put aside main road. Gash bye. Kidnap and I'm going to become more. Nah, Chineke Okwuluora.
One out, maybe I also go me your angle. Every which when I work, because come on down, because I will talk. Munega. Human being. Just when you walk one, when you walk one more.
My brother, na call Balaga.
Of course,
I the same.